Do you have a WooCommerce store and want to create coupons that apply automatically when the customers check out of your store? Watch this simple tutorial on how to accomplish this using the free Smart Coupons for WooCommerce plugin. Applying coupons automatically is convenient for your customers and for quick conversions. You don't have to enter the code manually, hence no hassle of copying and pasting. First, go to your WooCommerce store admin side. From the Plugins menu, click on Add New. On the plugin search bar, type in Smart Coupons for WooCommerce. Click on Install, and then Activate. Now the plugin is installed on your website successfully. We can proceed to create a coupon as we would normally in WooCommerce. Go to Marketing, and then Coupons, and click on Add Coupon. Type in or generate a coupon code, and write down a description of the coupon. Next, we need to decide what this coupon offers. Let's go ahead and make this coupon a percentage discount coupon. That offers a 15% off on the cart value. Now, from the coupon data section, you will notice that the plugin adds 2 additional tabs and some other options. Among these options is the Apply Coupon Automatically checkbox. Click this checkbox to make the coupon apply automatically at the checkout. Now if you want, you can add further rules and restrictions to the coupon with the options provided by WooCommerce and the additional options provided by the plugin. But now, let's check if the coupon automatically applies at checkout or not. So, let's go ahead and publish the coupon. From the storefront, add a product to the cart, and then proceed to checkout. At the top, you can see the message "Coupon applied successfully," followed by the coupon we just created. Scroll down, and you can see a 15% discount is applied to the total cart value. So, that's it. That's how you can create a coupon in WooCommerce that applies automatically in WooCommerce. Hope you find this video useful. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below. Thank you.